We're here today to talk about the introduction of a new digital lighting management controller that is a universal room controller. It comes at an expansion of the existing room controller that we have, that now giving us, in addition to switching and 0 to 10 volt dimming capabilities, now give us the ability to control line voltage dimming loads such as incandescent, magnetic low voltage, electronic low voltage, LED driver that are forward phase compatible, and fluorescent 2-wire and 3-wire. This is a great addition to the line because it's now giving us the ability to control a wide range of load in spaces, commercial space such as conference room, training center, restaurant, where dimming is very important for the customer. So similar to the other control that we have, this is extremely simple to connect and wire. All you have to do is open the cover of the product. You have your connectivity to all the other devices in the space, such as occupancy sensor, switches, daylighting sensor. Everything is connected using the Cat5 cable, similar to what we've done before. Now, what's new and unique about this controller is now there's a third button that we're introducing that is a dimming curve button. Again, the uniqueness of this controller that we call a universal room controller is that we can control different load type. But to make sure that the experience to the user is as it should be, you need to make sure that you're selecting the right dimming curve. There are 3 options. By pressing the button, you're stepping through the different dimming curve option, and the LED underneath blinks accordingly to confirm which load has been selected. There's no flickering experience. You have the right load right there with you, and it works just like the way it should be. We've also made some change to the existing controller to make it easier to install. So it's actually a nice pivot on the side of it to make the experience for the install a lot easier. So the controller itself rotates when you're installing it. So it's, again, very simple. It's really meant to be simple to install and simple to connect. So really what we're doing here is we're continuing to expand this ecosystem of digital lighting management, not only from a load type that we can now control, but really whether or not you want a simple application without necessary networking capabilities, or if you really want to look at broader scale project where performance tracking and benchmarking is important, or the integration of plug load and dimming and lighting is important, now this control will be a natural expansion of that line. Some of the things we've done here is actually expand the range of the colors that we're offering in our keypads. As you can see here, we are offering now red devices. The red device, actually, as we're looking at expanding the capabilities of the system, come extremely handy in hospital projects where you have different power source and customer wants to show the emergency lightings. So by showing a red device, you have now a visual feedback that this load is going to be for emergency lighting only, whereas the other device with other colors are for regular power and regular lighting. Now here, what happened here is now we didn't run out of paint. We have actually a customer in this situation that wanted to show a different level of flexibility by showing only specific loads to be for emergency lighting, while the others are for general lighting purposes. So any keypad can be customized in any way the customer wishes.